Welcome to Tricky Apps. Sitting arrangement. Now, I am going to explain key points and examples from the chapter Sitting Arrangement. There is a chance to get at least one question from this chapter in all competitive exams. Now, let us see the next type of arrangement, that is square or rectangle arrangement. In this type of arrangement, persons are placed around the rectangular or a square-shaped table facing either the center or the direction opposite to center. Facing the center. This is where all the persons to be arranged face the center. Then, all their rights is in anti-clockwise direction and their lefts is in clockwise direction. The left and right of each person can be understood with the help of the given arrangement. Facing opposite to center. This is where all the persons to be arranged face opposite to the center. Then all their lefts is in anti-clockwise direction and their right is in clockwise direction. The left and right of each person can be understood with the help of given arrangement. Let us see an example. Study the following information to answer the given questions. First one, 8 persons E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L are seated around a square table, 2 on each side. Second one, there are 3 lady members and they are not seated next to each other. Third one, J is between L and F. Fourth one, G is between I and F. Fifth one, H, a lady member, is second to the left of J. Sixth one, F, a male member, is seated opposite to E, a lady member. Seventh one, there is a lady member between F and I. Here, from the question we get the information that total number of persons are 8 and they are seated around a square table, out of which 3 are lady members and they are not seated next to each other. From the statement 3 and 4 we can say that J is sitting between L and F and G is sitting between I and F, and it is also given that H is a lady member and is seated second to the left of J. F is a male member and is seated opposite to E. Here E is a lady member. There is a lady member between F and I. That means G is a lady member and K is seated right of E. So H, G and E are lady members, remaining J, L, F, I, K are males. With this information, the following arrangement can be formed. Let us see the questions. Problem 1. Who among the following are the 3 lady members? Option A, E, H and J. Option B, E, G and J. Option C, G, H and J. Option D, H, E and G. And option E, none of these. Let us see the solution. From the arrangement we can say that the 3 lady members are H, E and G. So the answer is option D. Problem 2. Which of the following is true about J? Option A, J is a male member. Option B, J is a female member. Option C, gender of J cannot be determined. Option D, position of J cannot be determined. And option E, all of the above. Let us see the solution. From the arrangement it is clear that J is a male member. Hence the answer is option A. Problem 3. Who among the following is seated between E and H? Option A, I. Option B, J. Option C, F. Option D, K. And option E, none of these. Let us see the solution. From this arrangement it is clear that K is sitting between E and H. Hence the answer is option D. Thanks for watching. For full videos, download our app from the Play Store.